The SEA20 is a compact and portable cordless hand vacuum that's ideal for home workshops, garages and tidying the interior of cars. It's powered by our 10.8 volt AS system battery, which is also compatible with a number of other tools in the range, including the GTA26 pruner and HSA26 hedge and grass shears. The SEA20 is ideal to quickly clean small, dry areas efficiently and has plenty of useful features to make it user-friendly. The removable container makes it simple to empty, and the return flap on the inlet means no dirt can fall back out again. For easier working, the locking trigger or cruise control means you can turn the vacuum on and use the large array of accessories whilst leaving the vacuum on the bench or back seat of the car. It comes with a crevice nozzle, a wide nozzle with detachable bristle attachment, an extension tube, as well as a flexible extension hose, which is great for manoeuvring the nozzle into tight spaces like the footwells of cars. The twin filter system allows a good flow of air for effective cleaning and also filtration, so you can use it in the workshop and dusty environments with no issues. The charge level of the AS2 battery can be viewed on the LED display at the press of a button, and the working time is up to 14 minutes. The SEA20 is available as a tool only if you already have the AS2 battery, or as a set with an AS2 battery and AL1 charger in a handy carry case. There's also a set of additional cleaning nozzles as an accessory to really help you get into tricky places like cup holders, side door compartments, or in other household or home workshop jobs. Find out more at stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.